Let me share my screen first. Okay, I'm sharing it. Okay, so now in this video, we're gonna see that how we can print hello world in console in JavaScript by using of HTML. So for this, you need three things. One is the file of HTML, another one is the file of JavaScript, and third one is any browser. So this time I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you can use any browser, whichever you want as per JavaScript is supporting. So I'm using Microsoft Edge for this. We are creating one file, index.html. Name is up to you, whatever name you want to give. Another file for the JavaScript I'm creating, that is index.js. Again, the name as per you. So what I'm doing is like we are taking the boilerplate from the Emmet, which I've installed in Visual Studio Code. So let's just take the code, and I'm just giving some message so that I can see on the browser window, that is hello world in JavaScript. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is just I'm writing the message whichever we want to print in the console. So for the same, you have to write that message into the as a string. Okay. Now, second thing what you need to do is you have to import it into the HTML file. Index.js. And now you now just open with live server, inspect console. Now you can see the message. Just take it to the left so that we can play with our code. Just change the message like hello JavaScript, and accordingly message should be changed. Yeah, you can see the change in the message. You can change JavaScript programmer. Accordingly, you can see the message after saving this file. You can see that. Thank you.